Hello everyone, my name is Bonem Timonton and I am a BS IT student at Davao Oriental State University. So now in this video, we will discuss the advanced sorting algorithm, which is the merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort. So what is sorting algorithm? Says here, sorting algorithm are fundamental concept in computer science used to arrange a list of array of element into a specific order, typically ascending or descending. Understanding how sorting algorithm works is essential for optimizing performance in various applications, from simple data manipulation to complex systems. So the merge sort, quick sort, and heap sort will implement each algorithm step by step in Java, allowing you to see how they work in practice. Additionally, we will compare their performance measuring the time taken to sort different sets of numbers. How does it work? So the merge sort, a divide and conquer algorithm that split the array into halves. Sort each half and then merge the sorted half back together. Now in quick sort, another divide and conquer algorithm that select a pivot element from the array and partition to the other element into those less than greater than the pivot. It then recursively sort and sub array. Now the heap sort, this algorithm build a max heap from the array and then repeatedly extract the maximum element to produce sorted array. So what we have here is uh the Eclipse. I'm using Eclipse para mag-program sa Tuluka advanced sorting algorithm which is the sort. Now, I will be doing a program implementation about aning tulunga advanced sorting, which is the merge, quick, and heap sort. First, in order to do that, we have to create let's say the package name sorting algorithm, right? Yes. So in order to do that, we have to import the scanner and array for in order us to use the collection of framework sa array. Import java.util that arrays, and then we also have import java.util scanner. What's wrong with this? Arrays. Next, we have to create a main method that the main method where program executed begins with, which is the public static void, let's say, ano, it's not, ano pala, we have to create a class which is to define sorting our algorithm class. We have public class, and then sorting, we call this public class, let name sorting let it. So i-name na to ani is, let's say, advanced sorting algorithm, and then the curly braces. Notice nag-error dire because nag-rename nato ni class nato into advanced sorting algorithm. So as you can see here, kaning sorting algorithm is nakakuan siya, and then i-click nato nin para maka rename sa file, which is the advanced sorting algorithm. And then next, naka-create na tag class sa atong kuan. A purpose ani is to define the sorting algorithm class. Next, we have to create a main method. The main method where the program executed begin, which is the public static void, and then the string, then array args that we have here. Yes. No. We have the main string, then we have to remove this, then yeah. Next, we have to create a scanner object to read the user input. Scanner sc equals to new scanner and then let's say system in, and then the curly braces. Next, we have to put printing method, which is the we have to before the explain. Let's say enter number to sort and then enter number to sort. Let's put some specification para specification sa pag-input. Let's say we used to comma to comma to separate so yeah, that is it. Next we have kaning purpose ani is to prompt the user para to user for input. Next we have the string input. You have to enter string input and then equals to let's see that next line. And then next is the some purpose ani is kaning koan is to of course to read line of input. And then next we have to say in and array equals to array then that string we have to put input what we call input that split and then so again split the split yan na. Next arrays wait next you have the map that map to int. Then the method to inside the method we have integer integer and then also have the parse int. Next, we have that to array. And then we have to later on, ikaw naman natin. Ito, array. So, what we have here, kani siya is purpose ani. Dili mo malito is purpose we call that the convert the this split convert the split string convert string to integer integer. Next, kaning to string to array is purpose of this is to collect the integer. Collect the integer. Later on, makakuan na tab maka-add to tag sa main method later for para mawala ning error later kay wala pa may kwanta sa main method. So next, we have to call that is inside the system print, we have to prompt the user na unsay prompt the user para unsay piliun niya na what you call that the advanced unsay gusto niya na sorting, advanced sorting. So let's say choose algo. Choose algo. And then next, we have to using it said sorting algo, and then next we have to algo1, and then our algo1 is we call that the merge sort. Next we have the quick sort. Next, the hit sort. And now we have to create of course, if nag-prompt, we have to create a scanner para i-read niya itong gi-input na to kaning if ever i-choose na to yung merge sort, create tag, let's say int choice, is equals to the scanner. Yes, scanner dot next um yan. So the purpose ani is to read user input. User input. What? Ah, next line ba? Ay, int. Supposed to be int. Next. Next. Int. Yan. Kasi int man gamit nato diri. So, supposed to be int. Sorry. Next, we have to build they call it the switch case. Said switch case and then choice and then the case one and then the merge sort. Array. Next, oops, we have next, which is the case 2 and then the quick sort and then array comma 0 comma array data -1. Break. We have the case 3. We call that the heap sort. Case 3 a heap sort. And then heap sort, and then the array inside. The break. Next, we have the default. The what call this be? The invalid then we have to take the return keyword return. Now in this block here, kanina switch case natin, this allows us to execute the chosen wait, the chosen sorting algo. Based on the user input. Yan. We have to say the array.len. So, dagan pa error ana because wala pa man naman. So next we have after the switch case, sorry. Na tayo ginatawag na we have the sorted and then purpose of this and then you have to say array that to string the array. Yeah. Next, inside here, the method, we have to create a method for performing merge sort. Kaning sort. Kaning public static void static void the merge sort merge, and then the opening cross parenthesis, and the int I, the int, and then you have here, oops, array, and then curly braces id, um, next inside the method we have the if uh array that length, we have the array that length, and then divided by 2 the, I know d2, and then return the return next we have the int mean equals to array array that length, oops, array that length, array that length, and then we have the 2. We also have the end, and then we call that left, and then array, arrays that go this the copy of range, which is the array zero, and then mid at the end, then right. Int right equals to that uh, so the range. Uh, array dot length. No. Array dot length. Next, you have to create a method meaning for merge sort, merge sort, and the left. Then merge sort, then right. And then we have to merge sort, and then a merge array left, and then right. Ah, that's why kulang pala ng e ko. Kaya pala nag is removed. Merge sort array. We have to next we have the method to merge two sorted array. Mag-create tag method to uh, to call this to merge those two sorted array, which is kaning gikon buhat mean let's say public static void the merge in array, then in left in right. Let's say int I is equals to 0, and then j is equals to 0, and then k is equals to 0, and then we have kani next the while loop. Inside of the while loop we have I, and then the left the length and then the end. Now we have create array, and then which is k increment, and then is equals to array left in the I. Next, oh I forgot. There is equals to right, and then the j. Yeah, the exclamation point supposed to be ni, and then the left and then I plus inside here the, and then right j and I increment. Next, we have to create a method to perform, we call it the method to perform quick sort. After creating this long code, we have here the here. Next, we the public static I void say quick sort. Sort. The next the oops. Next, inside this we have int array, and then the int hello, uh, int no, int hi. Is it? Yes. Next, you have to create if statement. If if low is high, and then we have the int pivot I call it index equals to uh yes, partition it is which is inside inside the partition we have the array low array, and then low, and then high high. Array low and high. Next, in our code is quick say sort, and then sort array, and then low pivot low pivot index, and then this one. Save as the high. Next is we've done sa perform the method sa perform sa quicksort. We lastly magbuhat tag method for we call that the partition. Okay, which is the public static int the int it's called the partition and int array and then int low int high. Partition the int pivot index and then x equals to partition sulod array and then no up here. Mali. Array and then say hi. And then ayan. Next, in pivot and then let's say int say I is equals to and then low and then we have j and low and then for and then int I I know int j is equals to low then low tama and then we have high we have j is missing then high and j and then plus plus for I J, and then for no, we have to remove this. Yan, no. Anong nag-error mani partition? Yan. Next, if and then this to pivot and then I increment. And then after sa increment, we have to swap array I, and then J. Yan. And after we return I and then plus 1. Oh. Then next, after the partition, what's wrong with this? Yan. Now this. What's wrong with this? Int I pivot equals to array I, and then int I suppose what's wrong? So let's moving on, and then later on natin ay handle because some siguro may mga panahuman. So let's say here are the kulang pala. Let's say swap array I Next, we have to return I plus 1%. Notice we have an error for the curly braces. Is it? No. Yeah, maybe something. Next, we have to create. After creating this kind of partition, now we have to create the what we call that, the method to swap two element in array, which means kaning temp. Next, next is the method to public start void, and then the swap, and then the swap say in, and then array, we have the for in I is equals to n, and then 2, and then minus 1, and then we have 0, then I, yeah, and then the hippie, no, so we have 55, 55 array, and I. Next, we have the for in say I is equals to n minus 1, and then I equals 0. Then I edi become we have swap array to ano I next the hippify array I and then 0. Yeah. What's this? Dear. That's why pala nag-ano. Next, we have the method to next we have to create method to maintain the heap property, which means the public static void heapify. Oops. Heapify in and then array in and then we also in I. Next is the int largest equals to I. No, 1 pala. I and then what we call it, the int right, oh no, int left pala muna, m equals to 2. What do you dyan? Ana. And then I plus 1. Int right. Is equals to 2 and then I plus 2 next if left is n and then the nn array and then left then array the largest, largest. Next, we have the largest is equals to the left I just left, and then what do you call this, the F um right left, and then array largest. Is equals to right, then yeah, we also have the if largest mission line is not equals to I, and then swap array I, and then largest. Lastly, the hippify array and then largest is not no siya kama. So as you can see, here are the finished codes sa advanced sorting algorithm. So now, if parano natin, we have here na naka-appear kanina ikuan ako i-program na mag-prompt sa user to enter number to sort. So let's enter, let's say it says comma to separate. And then yan. Next, choose sorting algorithm, which is the number one, merge sort, the quick sort, And then number 3, the heap sort. So first, let's try number 1, the min sort. So as you can see here, it printed sorted array, gani. So 1, 2, 3, and then gani, so many. So kana siya is what we call that, the digana na atong gibuhat na code. If i-try na to balik, i-try na to ang what we call it. So let's choose number 2, the quick sort. So sorted array. So nigana pod ang quick sort. Next is the last one, the heap sort. Let's say comma d3. So as you can see, the sorted array, all of our what we call that, the advanced sorting implementation is nigana tanan. So I think this is the overall medyo di should. So this is the end of the video. I hope that naamoy natunan through this tutorial. So this is Bunev again. I hope na you've learned a lot of this tutorial today. So this would be the end of the video. Thank you so much. Happy coding.